Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to highlight an area using JavaScript over on maps. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for GADM. This website lets you download coordinate codes regarding any country or any city. And after that, after opening this site, locate to data by country section. Then select any country you want. It can be Turkey, Netherlands, etc. And then download the preferred level. After that, just extract the files and open it with Visual Studio Code. Now select any city. Just copy its code in the new file and retype them in separated lines. Then write the JavaScript code along with its ID. Paste the just copied longitude and latitude like this in the code. At the end of the code, specify the polygon specifications. I'll change the color to red. Now, one thing that I want to mention here is that if you want to change a color, you will have to write the color code. Also, adjust opacity and height, and boom, you have done. Now, it's on you if you want to change the location by changing the coordinates along with the specification of the highlighted area. Anyway, so this is basically how you can highlight an area using JavaScript over on maps. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.